So I'm Mike O'Neill, I'm a Senior Applications Engineer who works for Vero Software. This is my 5th time attending this particular event, and every time it's a complete pleasure. It's great to see the customers mixing with one another, and it's great to see my extended colleagues here at Edgecam. I think ETUX is a win-win situation. Customers come and meet one another, and they begin to talk to one another, and they begin to network. But also, us as a company are able to meet our customers and begin to receive their feedback. And it's just great to get this very unbiased feedback from our customers. I also think it's a perfect event because it's very formal and informal. But it's a really nice atmosphere. Nobody is nervous of each other. So it's nice to have a little bit of hard work, but it's also nice to have a little bit of play. And it's a perfect scenario to get new ideas and to get new innovation into our product. I'm really looking forward to coming to ETUX 2018.